In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off active status on Instagram. For some reason, you want to disable your active status on Instagram, but you don't know how. I'm going to provide you with a quick tips on how to turn off your active status on Instagram. On your Instagram home feed, navigate to locate at the bottom right corner where you see your profile icon. Then on the top right corner, click on this three ellipses. Then proceed to click on settings and privacy. Then you have to scroll down until you locate message and story reply. Then click here. On this interface, under who can see that you are online, proceed to click on the show activity status. When you reach here and you realize that show activity status is toggled on, proceed to toggle off this. Now you have successfully turned off your active status on Instagram. If you enjoyed this content, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I will do my best to attend to you. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.